are in a spacious 4 BHK in Goregaon that has a balcony in every room. This right here is your spacious balcony in the living room. As you can see, this is almost 200 to 300 square feet, and that is the beautiful city view that we'll be getting. Right there is Dindoshi Metro Station. We are also just 5 minutes away from Oberoi Garden City Metro Station and 5 minutes away from Oberoi Mall. We are also very close to the upcoming Mulund Goregaon tunnel, which is why this area will appreciate well. As you saw, the balcony is huge. You can convert it into a sit out area. You can have a party there. Right here is your spacious living and dining area. This was supposed to be two apartments. So this is a Jodi apartment, two apartments converted into one, which is why we have a huge living and dining area, and the floor to ceiling height is more than 11 feet, which is why it is huge. Right here you have your two kitchens. They have kept one kitchen as it is, but they have converted other into a storage area. As you can see, you have a dry area there. You can convert it as you like. You have good view from everywhere because we are currently on a higher floor. Let me tell you, the carpet area of this 4 BHK is 1700 square feet, but the built up area is 2500 square feet. As you can see, everything is very spacious and you are going to get it exactly like that, fully furnished. We have two bedrooms on that side, two on that. And as I mentioned, every room here has a balcony. So every bedroom here has a balcony and the living room. That right there is your first bedroom. Very spacious. We are very nicely located because, as I mentioned, metro stations are just 5 minutes away and this area is going to appreciate well. This is a very peaceful area yet bustling. That right there is your second bedroom. Comes with an attached washroom, good view from everywhere. This is a very premium project by a very premium builder, which is why you have all the amenities in this project like swimming pool, squash, gym, everything that you can imagine is present here. You have a common washroom here and these are the two bedrooms. Just take a look. This is an OC received project. The documents are all clear. And as I mentioned, everything that you're seeing here, you're going to get it as it is. Good view from everywhere. This is not something that you should miss. Just take a look at this last bedroom right there. We are on a higher floor right now. And the price of this 4 DHK in Goregaon is 5.7 CR. This is not something that you should miss. To book a visit, all you need to do is call on the number above and subscribe us for more such videos.